अपना स्वभाव बदलो। चेंज योर बिहेवियर। चेंज योर बिहेवियर। यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है। इट्स योर ड्यूटी। इट्स योर ड्यूटी। तुमने अच्छा काम किया। यू डिड अ गुड जॉब। यू डिड अ गुड जॉब। बातों को घुमाओ मत। डोंट ट्विस्ट द वर्ड्स। डोंट ट्विस्ट द वर्ड्स। एक महीना हो गया है। इट्स हैज बीन अ मंथ। इट्स हैज बीन अ मंथ। अगली बार। नेक्स्ट टाइम। नेक्स्ट टाइम। पिछली बार। लास्ट टाइम। लास्ट टाइम। बिल्कुल। ऑफ कोर्स। ऑफ कोर्स। मेरी गर्दन में दर्द है। माई नेक हर्ट्स। माई नेक हर्ट्स। मैंने पहले ही खा लिया। आई एट ऑलरेडी। आई एट ऑलरेडी। आकर बैठो। कम एंड सिट। कम एंड सिट। एक तरफ हट जाओ। मूव असाइड। मूव असाइड। मैं वादा करता हूँ। आई प्रॉमिस। आई प्रॉमिस। मैं परेशानी में हूँ। आई एम इन ट्रबल। आई एम इन ट्रबल। मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो। डोंट मेस विद मी। डोंट मेस विद मी। वह बहुत घमंडी है। ही इज सो एरोगेंट। ही इज सो एरोगेंट। मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू बॉदर यू। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू बॉदर यू। तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो। यू आर स्टिल हियर। यू आर स्टिल हियर। ध्यान से देखो। वॉच केयरफुली। वॉच केयरफुली। रोना बंद करो। स्टॉप क्राइंग। स्टॉप क्राइंग। सीधे होकर बैठो। सिट अप स्ट्रेट। सिट अप स्ट्रेट। ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है। दिस इज ऑल योर फॉल्ट। दिस इज ऑल योर फॉल्ट। कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए। प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली। प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली। बाद में याद दिलाना। रिमाइंड मी लेटर। रिमाइंड मी लेटर। तुम बहुत बातूनी हो। यू आर वेरी टॉकेटिव। यू आर वेरी टॉकेटिव। मेरी बात सुनो। लिसन टू मी। लिसन टू मी। यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? इसे मिटाओ। Erase it. Erase it. तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking around for? What are you looking around for? आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं। Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. कितने दुख की बात है। How tragic. How tragic. बिल्कुल भी नहीं। Not the least. Not the least. जुबान पर काबू रखो। Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. मुंह मत बनाओ। Don't make faces. Don't make faces. भरोसा रखो। Keep trust. Keep trust. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो। Tell them everything. Tell them everything. गाड़ी रोको। Stop the car. Stop the car. मेरी सलाह मानो, टेक माई एडवाइस, टेक माई एडवाइस। बाहर कदम मत रखना, डोंट स्टेप आउटसाइड, डोंट स्टेप आउटसाइड। कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलें, प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली, प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली। तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है ना? आर यू फीलिंग वेल? आर यू फीलिंग वेल? क्या आप अभी भी नींद में हैं? आर यू स्टिल स्लीपी? आर यू स्टिल स्लीपी? बिना मोबाइल के बाहर मत जाओ, डोंट गो आउट विदाउट अ मोबाइल, डोंट गो आउट विदाउट अ मोबाइल। कम से कम एक बार तो आओ, कम एटलीस्ट वंस, कम एटलीस्ट वंस। मुझे वापस कॉल करें, कॉल मी बैक, कॉल मी बैक। तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मैं और आगे नहीं बता सकता, I can't explain further, I can't explain further. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है, The truth is always bitter, The truth is always bitter. वो क्या था? What was that? What was that? वो कुछ भी नहीं था, That was nothing, That was nothing. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ भी तो नहीं, Nothing, Nothing. मेरे सिर में दर्द है, I have a headache, I have a headache. उसे सब पता है, He knows everything, He knows everything. क्या हो गया? What happened? What happened? कैसे हो गया? How did this happen? How did this happen? चिंता मत करो, Don't worry, Don't worry. ध्यान से, Be careful, Be careful. वो सही कह रहा है, He is right, He is right. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, I am always with you, I am always with you. क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? बाहर मत खेलो, Don't play outside, Don't play outside. ये तुम्हारा वहम है, It's your illusion, It's your illusion. मैं यहाँ खासकर आपसे मिलने आया हूँ, I came here specially to meet you, I came here specially to meet you. क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? ये सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? मैं थोड़ा ले लूं? Can I take a little bit? Can I take a little bit? अभी नहीं, Not yet, Not yet. पर मुझे अभी चाहिए था, But I wanted it right now, But I wanted it right now. कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? नहीं, कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं है, No, nothing is wrong, No, nothing is wrong. खुश रहो, stay happy, stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे, where were you, where were you. हमारे साथ चलो, come with us, come with us. हमारे पास समय है, we have time, we have time. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ, I miss you a lot, I miss you a lot. मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया, I tricked you, I tricked you. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, no need to say anything, no need to say anything. मुझे रुलाओ मत, don't make me cry, don't make me cry. इतना मेरे लिए काफी है, that's enough for me, that's enough for me. बारिश कब होगी, when will it rain, when will it rain. यह संघर्ष करने का समय है, it is time to struggle, it is time to struggle. क्या आपको समझ आया, did you get it, did you get it. मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, I don't feel like eating, I don't feel like eating. जरा देखने तो दो, let me have a look, let me have a look. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ, I am not coming with you, I am not coming with you. मैं आस-पास ही था, I was around, I was around. सब बेकार है, everything is useless, everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना, never do so, never do so. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए, I want your advice, I want your advice. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं, how do you know me, how do you know me. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ, may I come in, may I come in. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है, I am proud of you, I am proud of you. आज बारिश हो सकती है, it may rain today, it may rain today. ऐसा मत करो, don't do this, don't do this. तुम उदास क्यों हो, why are you upset, why are you upset. वह अच्छा लग रहा है, he looks good, he looks good. वह मेरा है, that is mine, that is mine. आइए शुरू करें, let's get started, let's get started. खाना खाओ, eat food, eat food. जाओ नहीं, don't go, don't go. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलती हूँ, I will catch you later, I will catch you later. इसे जल्दी करो, do it fast, do it fast. मैं अविवाहित हूँ, I am single, I am single. इसे करो, do it, do it. मैं पहले से ही तनावग्रस्त हूँ, I am already stressed, I am already stressed. उसे अंदर लाओ, bring him in, bring him in. ज़्यादा मत बोलो, don't talk too much, don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो, look at me, look at me. तुम बहुत पतले हो, you are so thin, you are so thin. यह कब और कैसे हुआ? How and when did it happen? How and when did it happen? वापस आओ, come back, come back. यह बेकार है, it's useless, it's useless. मेरे बाद दोहराओ, repeat after me, repeat after me. मैं चल नहीं सकता, I can't walk, I can't walk. यह कैसे हुआ? How did it happen? How did it happen? चलो छुपना छुपनी खेलते हैं. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. कुछ खास. Something special. Something special. इसे मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. यह हमारा कर्तव्य है. It's our duty. It's our duty. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. आप जा सकते हैं. You can go. You can go. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. विनम्रता से बात करें. Speak politely. Speak politely. यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है. It's not a cup of tea for you. It's not a cup of tea for you. अनदेखा करना सीखो. Learn to ignore. Learn to ignore. बाद में बात करते हैं. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see her? Can you see her? संपर्क में रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand. I don't understand. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. यह काबिले तारीफ है. He is worth praising. He is worth praising. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he? How dare he? थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया. You did this deliberately. You did this deliberately. वह एक जिद्दी बच्चा है. He is a stubborn child. He is a stubborn child. यह क्यों हुआ? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? यह बहुत जरूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. क्या यह पक्का है? Is it certain? Is it certain? यह काम करो. Do this job. Do this job. सब कुछ ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. सही जवाब. Correct answer. Correct answer. मुझे लगता है. I think so. I think so. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. उसे बुलाओ. Call him. Call him. यह ठीक है. It is fine. It is fine. इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. कोई समस्या नहीं. No problem. No problem. इसे वापस करो. Give it back. Give it back. यह क्यों हुआ? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? इसे पकड़ो. Hold this. Hold this. यह मेरी गलती है. It's my fault. It's my fault. मैंने किया. I did it. I did it. तुम सही हो. You are right. You are right. मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I will try. I will try. तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. इसे अभी करो. Do it right now. Do it right now. क्या तुम आओगे? Will you come? Will you come? यह मेरी पसंद है. It is my choice. It is my choice. वह सही है. He is right. He is right. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? इसे समझो. Understand this. Understand this. यह मत भूलो. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is great. This is great. थोड़ा जल्दी करो. Hurry up a bit. Hurry up a bit. तुम इसे कर सकते हो. You can do it. You can do it. यह सब है. This is all. This is all. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? इसे मत कहो. Don't say it. Don't say it. उसे बताओ. Tell her. Tell her. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. यह कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? क्या यह काम करेगा? Will it work? Will it work? इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? हम घर जा रहे हैं. We are going to home. We are going to home. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. I study English. I study English. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. धीरे धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket? जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. चलो घूमने चलें. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? आप मेरी मदद करो. Help me up. Help me up. खाली मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे. God bless you. God bless you. सीधे बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Or you can say sit upright. Sit upright. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared for me. He never cared for me. आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. आप होश में तो हैं? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. मैं मना करता हूँ. I decline. I decline. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मजे करो. Have fun. Have fun. रहने भी दो. Forget it. Forget it. आराम से. Relax. Relax. आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Don't wink. ध्यान रहे. Watch out. Watch out. मैं समझ गया. I see. I see. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ. I observe everything. I observe everything. क्या सब तैयार हैं? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? चुगली मत करो. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. टेंशन मत लो. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. यह तो ठीक नहीं है. This is not fair. This is not fair. मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. तकलीफ देने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. उसे गाली मत दो. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. इसे दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा. I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. मैं नाराज हूँ. I am pissed off. I am pissed off. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. तुम कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की. I cleared it up. I cleared it up. मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. और तुम? I am great. And you? I am great. And you? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. अच्छा खाओ. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. क्या तुम्हें सच में लगता है उसे सब पता है? Are you sure he knows everything? Are you sure he knows everything? मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. आगे बढ़ो. Move forward. Move forward. पीछे जाओ. Move back. Move back. कितना प्यारा है. How cute. How cute. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? कल मेरी छुट्टी है. Tomorrow is my day off. Tomorrow is my day off. मुझे छींकें आ रही हैं. I am sneezing. I am sneezing. मुझे रोज हिचकियां आती हैं. I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? नहीं कोई काम नहीं है. No, I don't have any work. No, I don't have any work. मैं तो वैसे ही पूछ रहा था. I was asking just like that. I was asking just like that. इसलिए मैं नहीं जा सकता हूँ. That's why I can't go. That's why I can't go. कोई बात नहीं, मैं समझ सकता हूँ. No problem, I can understand. No problem, I can understand. हिम्मत मत हारो. Don't lose courage. Don't lose courage. तुम यह कर सकते हो. You can do this. You can do this. अगर मैं कर सकता हूं तो तुम भी कर सकते हो. If I can do it, you can do it too. If I can do it, you can do it too. आपकी दादी की तबीयत अब कैसी है? How is your grandmother's health now? How is your grandmother's health now? उनकी तबीयत पहले से अच्छी है. Her health is better than before. Her health is better than before. भगवान तुम्हारा साथ देगा. God will support you. God will support you. अच्छे काम करो. Do good work. Do good work. भगवान आप पर कृपा करे. God bless you. God bless you. भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो. Leave me for God's sake. Leave me for God's sake. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे आपका समय चाहिए. I need your time. I need your time. दूर रहो मुझसे. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. मुझे पढ़ाई करने दो. Let me study. Let me study. टीवी देखना बंद करो. Stop watching TV. Stop watching TV. तुम्हारी आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. Your eyes will get damaged. Your eyes will get damaged. मुझे घबराहट हो रही है. I am feeling nervous. I am feeling nervous. मेरा दम घुट रहा है. I am suffocating. I am suffocating. मैं बोलने में हिचकिचा रहा हूँ. I am hesitant to speak. I am hesitant to speak. आपको कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? तुम कल क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? क्यों, कुछ काम है क्या? Why is there any work? Why is there any work? भूलना मत. Don't forget. Don't forget. मैं हिल नहीं सकता. I can't move. I can't move. उसे ढूंढने दो. Let him find out. Let him find out. क्या खुशबू है? What a fragrance. What a fragrance. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया है. I just made it. I just made it. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे पता था. I knew it. I knew it. क्या वो चला गया? Has he gone? Has he gone? वो अब यहाँ नहीं है. He is no longer here. He is no longer here. यह एक लंबी कहानी है. It's a long story. It's a long story. बाद में मत पछताना. Don't regret later. Don't regret later. इतने कंजूस मत बनो. Don't be such a miser. Don't be such a miser. यह मेरी किस्मत है. It is my fate. It is my fate. सोच समझकर जवाब देना. Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. यह मेहमानों के लिए है. This is for the guests. This is for the guests. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मुझे कॉल मत करो. Don't call me. Don't call me. सावधान. Be careful. Be careful. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand. I can understand. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. 3 दिन से पानी नहीं आ रहा है. No water supply for 3 days. No water supply for 3 days. मेरी किताबें कहाँ हैं? Where are my books? Where are my books? तुमने यह क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? मैं उससे बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. यह खाना किसने बनाया? Who made this food? Who made this food? तुम्हारी चाबी कहाँ है? Where is your key? Where is your key? मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूँगा. I will call you later. I will call you later. तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? मैं इसे नहीं समझता. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. क्या तुम मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help? Can you help? यह फोन मेरा है. This phone is mine. This phone is mine. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? अपना वादा याद रखना. Remember your promise. Remember your promise. यह उसका घर है. This is his house. This is his house. अपने परिवार के बारे में बताओ. Tell me about your family. Tell me about your family. यह मेरी गलती नहीं थी. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. कोई दिक्कत है क्या? Any problem? Any problem? उसने मुझे कॉल किया. He called me. He called me. इसे फेंक दो. Throw it away. Throw it away. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care. I don't care. अपना चेहरा मत बनाओ. Don't make a face. Don't make a face. अपने हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. इतिहास खुद को दोहराता है. History repeats itself. History repeats itself. इसे हमें दे दो. Give it to us. Give it to us. पढ़ने की कोशिश करो. Try to study. Try to study. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We are all with you. We are all with you. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. I have nothing. I have nothing. इसे ठीक करवाओ. Get it repaired. Get it repaired. मैं उलझ गया. I'm confused. I am confused. यह ठीक है. This is fine. This is fine. आपका संपर्क नंबर क्या है? What is your contact number? What is your contact number? मैंने उसे पानी लाने भेजा. I sent him to get water. I sent him to get water. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. It's my responsibility. It's my responsibility. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. मुझे दोष मत दो. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. मुझे इंतजार करने से नफरत है. I hate waiting. I hate waiting. उसे समय पर आना चाहिए. He should come on time. He should come on time. मुझे ऐसे लोग पसंद नहीं. I don't like such people. I don't like such people. समय की कद्र करनी चाहिए. Time should be valued. Time should be valued. मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. I am getting bored. I am getting bored. यह तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. This is not good for you. This is not good for you. अपनी उम्र का लिहाज करो. Consider your age. Consider your age. बड़ों का आदर करो. Respect elders. Respect elders. बड़ों की मदद करो. Help elders. Help elders. अपना काम लगन से करो. Do your work diligently. Do your work diligently. एक दिन तुम सफल हो जाओगे. One day you will succeed. One day you will succeed. अपने इरादे साफ रखो. Keep your intentions clear. Keep your intentions clear. किसी को दुख मत दो. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. जो तुम करोगे वही तुम पाओगे. You will get what you do. You will get what you do. इसलिए अच्छा सोचो. So think carefully. So think carefully. अच्छा करो. Do good. Do good. और तुम्हारे साथ भी अच्छा होगा. And it will be good for you too. And it will be good for you too. भगवान का धन्यवाद करो. Thank God. Thank God. भगवान ने मुझे सब कुछ दिया. God gave me everything. God gave me everything. उसने मुझे आंख मारी. He winked at me. He winked at me. मैंने उसे थप्पड़ मारा. I slapped him. I slapped him. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are very rude. You are very rude. क्या तुम्हें तमीज नहीं है? Don't you have manners? Don't you have manners? जरा चुप हो जाओ. Please shut up. Please shut up. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. तुम्हारी क्या इच्छा है? What do you want? What do you want? जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. As you like. As you like. यह मेरी किताब है. This is my book. This is my book. मैंने तुम्हें पहले देखा है. I have seen you before. I have seen you before. क्या यह सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. मैं यह जानने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to find out. I am trying to find out. इसे कैसे स्थापित करें? How do we install this? How do we install this? क्या आपको यह पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? यह बहुत जटिल है या मुश्किल है. This is very complicated. This is very complicated. क्या हम शुरू कर सकते हैं? Can we start? Can we start? यह टूट गया है. It has broken. It has broken. मैं इसे समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to understand this. I am trying to understand this. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. उसे मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. मैं ज्यादा देर तक सो गया. I overslept. I overslept. मैं तुमसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे अपने दांत ब्रश करने हैं. I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. आप कब से यहाँ हो? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. तुम्हारी गाड़ी कहाँ है? Where is your car? Where is your car? मेरे पास एक सवाल है. I have a question. I have a question. इसे संभालो. Handle this. Handle this. मेरे बच्चे कहाँ हैं? Where are my kids? Where are my kids? मुझे अभी जाना है. I need to go now. I need to go now. यह काम कब तक होगा? When will this work be done? When will this work be done? यहाँ कौन कौन है? Who all are here? Who all are here? तुम अपने भविष्य को खुद बना सकते हो. You can create your own future. You can create your own future. लोग हमेशा बुरा ही बोलते हैं. People always say bad things. People always say bad things. लोगों की तरफ मत ध्यान दो. Don't pay attention to people. Don't pay attention to people. अपने काम पर ध्यान दो. Concentrate on your work. Concentrate on your work. अपने भविष्य पर ध्यान दो. Focus on your future. Focus on your future. कल तुम क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing yesterday? What were you doing yesterday? मैंने तुम्हें पार्क में देखा था. I saw you in the park. I saw you in the park. बस मैं टहलने के लिए गया था. I just went for a walk. I just went for a walk. टहलना सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. Walking is good for health. Walking is good for health. वह मेरा बहुत ध्यान रखती है. She takes great care of me. She takes great care of me. वह बहुत प्यारी है. She is very cute. She is very cute. उसका दिल बहुत अच्छा है. She has a very good heart. She has a very good heart. वह धैर्य से काम लेती है. She works with patience. She works with patience. क्या तुम किसी का इंतजार कर रहे हो? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? हाँ, मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am waiting. Yes, I am waiting. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late. It's too late. वह अभी तक नहीं आई. She has not come yet. She has not come yet. मैं और इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go out. I want to go out. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? Or you can say, are you crazy? Are you crazy? इसे ऐसे नहीं करते. Don't do it that way. Don't do it that way. इसे इस तरीके से करो. Do it this way. Do it this way. आपने सही कहा. You said it right. You said it right. मुझे अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए. I should take care of myself. I should take care of myself. क्या तुम्हारे पास कोई विचार है? Do you have any ideas? Do you have any ideas? किस बारे में? About what? About what? तुम्हारी परीक्षा कैसी चल रही है? How are your exams going? How are your exams going? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? मैं अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. ज़्यादा चिंता मत करो. Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. सब हो जाएगा. Everything will be done. Everything will be done. सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen by thinking. Nothing will happen by thinking. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. मुझे यह जानना है. I need to know this. I need to know this. तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? इसे धो दो. Wash it. Wash it. मुझे एक जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. यह कितने का है? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? मैं इसे नहीं खरीदूंगा. I will not buy this. I will not buy this. इसे कैसे इस्तेमाल करें? How do you use this? How do you use this? यह रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मैं उससे बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. यह कितना समय लेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. इसे वापस कर दो. Return it. Return it. यह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work? Where do you work? मुझे अभी जाना होगा. I need to go now. I need to go now. मैं इसे पसंद नहीं करता. I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या तुमने यह देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? इसे तुरंत ठीक करो. Fix this immediately. Fix this immediately. तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मुझे कुछ समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. यह बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important. This is very important. क्या तुम समझ गए? Did you understand? Did you understand? मुझे और समय दो. Give me more time. Give me more time. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? यह बहुत मुश्किल है. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. मुझे शांति चाहिए. I need peace. I need peace. यह बहुत पुराना है. This is very old. This is very old. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? यह टूट गया है. It is broken. It is broken. मुझे 1 मिनट चाहिए. I need a minute. I need a minute. इसे यहीं छोड़ दो. Leave it here. Leave it here. क्या आपके पास पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? मैं जल्दी में हूँ. I am in hurry. I am in hurry. इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. क्या यह उपलब्ध है? Is this available? Is this available? मैं रुकना चाहता हूँ. I want to stop. I want to stop. यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? इसे धीरे धीरे करो. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. यह बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. क्या यह सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मैं इसे खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. तुम्हें करना होगा. You have to do it. You have to do it. तुम कर सकते हो. You can do it. You can do it. भविष्य हमारे हाथ में है. The future is in our hands. The future is in our hands.